Good morning or good afternoon, guys. Can you show yourselves? Or give a roar or a bark? It's a beautiful day here. Come on, guys. You in there too?